Let's solve this question with both addition and subtraction. So there were 27 aliens on Mars. So I'm going to write that down. A spaceship took away 8 of them. So this word took away is another word for subtraction. So I'm going to do 27 and the spaceship took away 8. Now let's try to subtract. 7 minus 8. Yeah, that's not going to work. So we need to borrow from here and turn this into a 17. 17 minus 8 is 9, and this 1 gets dragged all the way down. So after the spaceship took away 8 aliens, we have 19 left. Later, another spaceship brought 5 more. So when we see more, that's another word for addition. So we had 19 aliens, and a new spaceship is bringing us 5 more aliens. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So I'm going to put the 4 down here and the 1 up here. Now I can add these two numbers. 1 plus 1 is 2. So in total, we have 24 aliens on Mars.